How long can you drive a truck with cracked cylinder heads before it quits? Task number 1, the stall. I will put the clutch in, put it in first gear, and drop it without giving it gas. First gear. Here it is again. Clutch in. First gear. If it goes in, get in there. By the way, the gear doesn't work too well. In case you didn't see it, science time. The truck just turns off. You put it back into neutral, turn it back on. Still sounds horrible, but it's not overheating and it still runs. I can follow for day 2.